This comprehensive guide takes readers through the complete journey of residential roofing, starting with the fundamental knowledge every homeowner needs. The book begins by establishing a solid foundation and understanding roofing basics, from essential tools to various roofing materials and their applications. Readers learn how to identify different roof types, understand their unique characteristics, and make informed decisions about materials and techniques suitable for their specific needs. Safety and preparation form the next crucial segment, where detailed protocols and preventive measures are outlined. The text thoroughly covers inspection methods, teaching readers to spot potential issues before they become major problems. This section also includes precise calculations for materials, ensuring projects start with proper planning and resource allocation. The guide emphasizes the importance of thorough site preparation and safe working practices, providing readers with professional-grade knowledge in an accessible format. Maintenance and problem-solving constitute a significant portion of the content, addressing common challenges homeowners face throughout the year. The book provides seasonal maintenance schedules and teaches readers how to handle emergency repairs during adverse weather conditions. It includes detailed troubleshooting guides for identifying and fixing leaks, managing water damage, and maintaining optimal roof performance across different weather conditions, helping readers make environmentally conscious choices while maintaining high-performance standards. Advanced topics cover specialized areas such as working with chimneys, skylights, and valley installations. The guide includes professional secrets and techniques that typically take years to master, presented in an accessible format for homeowners. Cost-saving strategies are thoroughly explored, helping readers maximize their investment while maintaining quality. The text also addresses modern roofing innovations and sustainable practices, keeping readers informed about current industry trends and environmental considerations. The final section focuses on practical aspects of project management, including working with contractors, understanding permits, and ensuring quality control. Readers learn how to effectively communicate with professionals, understand estimates, and manage roofing projects efficiently. The book concludes with comprehensive information about final inspections and long-term maintenance strategies, ensuring readers can maintain their roofs in optimal condition for years to come. Throughout the text, emphasis is placed on combining practical knowledge with professional techniques, making complex roofing projects accessible to motivated homeowners while maintaining high standards of quality and safety.